Going for a walk offers many benefits. Try to build it into your daily routine. It's good for everyone's well-being. It is an easy way for your child to get fresh air, and exercise is part of the curriculum. Try to choose a route to ensure the most pleasant experience of the natural world. Getting your child out to walk may take effort, but invariably it is worth it. While walking, your child's mood may lighten and they may come home feeling refreshed. Encourage your child to notice the weather and agree on appropriate clothing while getting ready for the walk. Ask questions such as, will we need an umbrella? Will we bring bread for the ducks or birds? Will we bring a snack or water? Involving children in these preparations encourages them to greater independence. Some children like to have a focus, for example, be a bug detective, counting the number of cyclists seen, or having a step challenge. Fun checklists and scavenger hunts can be built into the walk to support learning. Encourage your child to experience the amazing variety in nature through the senses. For some students, this sensory input could be very therapeutic. Use a phone to record photos, videos or sounds. A walk can also provide the foundations for further learning when back home. To support these activities, free downloadable resources are available from numerous sites such as Do2Learn, or simply use a pen, paper, crayon or markers alongside your photos to capture the learning. More information is available on our website.